Often, the world succeeds at pitting women against each other. But not here, not in the canoe. No one has time to fight against each other when they're too busy fighting for each other. In a canoe, 6 become 1, and that 1 makes all the difference.
In my canoe, you are measured by your passion.
Your age is an irrelevant number.
Your role may be ever-changing, but always essential.
In my canoe, you must be willing to lead and follow.
To fight for the ones in front of you and for the ones behind you.
And that your heart is your most important muscle.
In my canoe, you have faith in your training and faith in each other.
In our canoe, we aren't just teammates.